congratulate Indian Oil team for launching of SERVO Pride FE FA4, a fuel-efficient diesel engine oil for heavy-duty vehicles. I understand that it is the first product launch in India under the fuel-efficient category. I am told that it is based on low SAPS additive technology and its core additive system, which is backward compatible. This product meets API FA4, Cummins CES 287 and Detroit Diesel GDC 93K 223 specifications in SAE 10W-30 grade. This product is suitable for use in new class of diesel engine vehicles for on-highway applications.